This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use, very straightforward. And at home screen, you pretty much will see this here. As you can see, this is the home screen. So all I have to do is tap on the option here to be able to see all the servers available. Rather simple VPN. So all I have to do is tap on whichever server you want to use. Let's say California. We'll ask for connection request, tap on OK. We'll start connecting in no time. As you can see here, I'm pretty much connected already. So very easy to use, and I can go ahead and test the data speed as well. So nothing much as it relates to servers. Servers are pretty much down here. I can tap on the arrow icon here. And as well, it does give you a level as it relates to how long you have used your VPN connection. So that's really pretty much it for this VPN connection. Nothing much as it relates to this, but if you have any questions or want to ask any questions, feel free to comment below. I want to see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.